In today's fast-moving organizations, the ability to guide a group towards clarity, consensus, and commitment isn't just helpful, it's essential. Whether you're a manager, a supervisor, an HR professional, or a specialist supporting the wider business, strong facilitation skills help you bring people together, unlock ideas, and move plans forward with confidence. Our one-day Introduction to Facilitation Skills course gives you the practical tools and techniques to do exactly that. Delivered through true action learning, you won't just hear about facilitation, you'll practice it. You'll work with fellow participants, receive constructive feedback, and leave with skills you can apply immediately. You'll learn how to structure discussions, manage group dynamics, encourage contribution, and build genuine buy-in. It's hands-on, energizing, and designed for real-world impact. The course also carries 5.5 CPD hours, supporting your ongoing professional development. With locations across the UK, including London, Manchester, Nottingham, Birmingham, Bristol, Edinburgh, and Leeds, you can choose the venue that works best for you. Prefer to learn remotely? We also offer live virtual sessions, giving you the same interactive experience from anywhere. If you're ready to build confidence, elevate your communication, and lead more effective conversations, this course is your starting point. Join us and discover how powerful great facilitation can be. Contact us to book an in-person training day at one of our venues, and to view all virtual training sessions, please click the Live Virtual Training tab. We can also deliver this as one-to-one executive coaching or to a group where the course can be tailored to your needs and delivered at your offices or at one of our venues or virtually. For any queries, please email info@ptp.co.uk.